Hi, I'm Stephen Miller, Research Director here at iRed USA, and I'd like to introduce the latest in portable red light therapy technology, the iRed Bullet Plus Blue. The team here at iRed has spent countless hours engineering the only device that delivers a powerful combination of clinical red, infrared, and medical spec blue light wavelengths. The iRed Bullet Plus Blue combines all the benefits of the bullet, such as fast and effective deep tissue and joint pain relief, with the added benefit of medical-grade blue light, ideal for superficial skin rejuvenation, acne, and scar reduction. iRed sets the benchmark in quality and reliability. The Bullet Plus Blue's trademark heavy-duty stainless steel design is not only durable and sleek, but also portable for everyday use at home and on the go. With its one-button power-up and long-life rechargeable battery, it's never been so easy to start your red light therapy journey with iRed. Simply charge up and take your iRed Bullet Plus Blue wherever you go for targeted treatments of your pain and inflammation while improving your health on a cellular level. iRed's Quadruple Diode Technology provides 630, 660 red light, 850 and 940 infrared, and 460 blue light wavelengths, ensuring safe and effective full-spectrum penetration for improved results. Simply select your desired mode and position the device over the target area for up to 3 minutes, 3 times per day. Everything you need is included with this complete kit: one iRed Bullet Plus Blue red light therapy device, 2 rechargeable batteries with charger, and a pair of medical-grade protective eyewear. I'll now demonstrate just how simple it is to use your iRed Bullet Plus Blue device. Ensure the battery is fully charged by noting the green light on the charger provided. Insert the battery into the device. Included in the iRed kit is a pair of medical-grade protective eyewear. Place these on. One-button power-up to turn on the device. Next, select your desired mode. The Bullet Plus Blue has 3 separate modes. The first press of the power button will provide a blend of all 5 wavelengths, consisting of red, infrared, and blue light for combination treatment. The second press will provide red and infrared wavelengths, ideal for pain and inflammation relief. The third press delivers isolated clinical-grade blue light for superficial skin-related treatments. With your desired mode selected, position your iRed Bullet Plus Blue 1 to 2 inches from the target area and hold for up to 3 minutes. Repeat up to 3 times per day per target area consistently to optimize your results. Allow the Quadruple Diode Technology of the iRed Bullet Plus Blue to deliver powerful full-spectrum red light, infrared, and blue light and penetrate deep into tissue and joints. The device is programmed to deliver the prescribed 3 continuous minutes before automatically shutting off. Simply reselect your desired mode for continuous treatment of a different area. For those with sensitive skin, the iRed Bullet Plus Blue has a built-in pulse mode. Simply press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to initiate the pulse mode. Pulsing allows a transitionary buffer and reduces dose intensity for those with sensitive skin. Begin your red light therapy journey now with iRed USA, the science behind cellular health.